Hey, this is a response to I Love Iberia's video, A Bird Shat on My Car. Someday I'm going to get a video of this. We have a cardinal that hangs around and comes back every year. Well, I'm sure it's different cardinals, I don't know, but they must be very vain birds because the bird sits on the edge of my car and looks at himself in the mirror and poops all over the side. So the whole side of my car, both sides, are full of poop right under the windows. And one year, my husband was driving into the driveway with the window open and his arm on the edge there, and the bird flew and landed on his arm to look in the mirror, and then he realized what he was on and flew away. But I don't know, does this ever happen to you? Cardinals, mirrors? Anyway, I'm going to do a shout out Sunday next Sunday. I hope you have a great day and peace.